Hello everybody, Adam here with Zach, and today we're bringing you another fantastic barrel-aged dark beer. We've done before, this one's from Heavy Seas out of Baltimore. This one is called Schnee Boot, or Snow Boat in German. This is a barrel-aged Eisbock, which is a very rare beer. You don't see this style very often. What it is, it's the strongest version of a bock. So what they do is they brew a dopplebock, and then they freeze it, and then they remove all the ice, so the alcohol is concentrated and the flavors are more concentrated. Yep. And you can definitely tell with this beer. So let's get right into the tasting notes.
Yeah. So right off the bat, on the nose, definitely get that fruitiness.
It's a lot of fruit.
Like a lot of dark fruit.
A lot of fruit. Yeah.
Reminds me of the Guinness one that we did.
It's a little bit similar to the old stock ale, but it's
not as chocolatey.
Definitely not as chocolatey.
Like there might be a little bit of a hint of chocolate, but not much.
Yeah.
All right, let's taste this. It's a lot chocolatey. More chocolate in the flavor than I thought.
You definitely get more cocoa and maybe even a little bit of vanilla flavors in the malt. This one's very complex. It's a lot of fruit flavors, and it's mostly fruity, but the maltiness to it blends together really nicely. I mean, honestly, this goes down really smooth for a 13%er. I mean, this is
definitely for 13%.
Like, it smells a lot boozier than you might think when you try it, but when it goes down, it's really smooth.
Tasty though.
It's very tasty. I like this beer a lot. Very similar, like we said, to the old stock ale. A lot of fruit flavors, a little bit of malt, and for 13%, I mean, this is a fantastic beer for that.
Yeah.
Limited release. We're the only ones. Cavalier, our distributor, they literally brought this beer in just for us. You can only buy it through Big Red. Make sure to reserve yours while you can.
Yep.
Cheers.